Hello, my name is Catalin Voicu and I'm a system engineer with N2W. Today I will show you how to install your N2W EC2 instance in force recovery mode. To do that, you will need to launch a new N2W server from your free trial/BYOL subscription from the AWS Marketplace. Once you did that and the new instance is up and running, please copy the new instance ID and enter it in this field after you access the configuration page. Click Next. At this point, you will be prompted to read and accept the terms and conditions. Once you did that, please proceed to the next step. On this page, you will be able to select this account is already licensed from the license drop-down menu. After that, you will be prompted to enter a username and a password that you will be needing to log in to the console. Then click Next. Now it asks you to choose a time zone. I will select my local time zone in Romania, and it will ask you if you want to create a new data volume or use an existing one. At this point, you will use an existing volume because the purpose of today's video is to show you how you can still recover data. Then it asks you, do you want to use force recovery mode? And you will say yes. On the next page, you will be prompted to select from a drop-down menu your existing data volume. So you can see here I have a couple of volumes. I will simply select the one that I want. Then I will be able to click on Next. Once I did that, I will be able to either click I will register later, or I can fill out all these fields, and then I would click Continue to configuration of the system. Please do not close this page or do not refresh while this configuration is running. It will take only a few minutes, and when it's done, it's going to tell you that the configuration was successful. Now the configuration is successful, and it tells you that this server was configured in recovery mode and it will not perform new backups. In a few seconds from now, the website will automatically refresh and it will take you to the login screen, where you will be prompted to enter the username and the password that you have set up in the configuration phase. Now, as you can see, my N2W server is back up and running. It tells me that it is in recovery mode and it will not perform any new backups. At this point, if you wanted to perform a recovery, you would simply go to the backup monitor and find your backup, or you would go to your recovery scenarios and execute them.